is there like something on the lens? Okay. So up here, it's day like 6 billion, trailer living, and we're up here getting a shed built to supply power to the house, as well as store materials when we're working on the house. All the building supplies are right here behind me, covered up with some plastic to make sure water or snow doesn't go on it in the event that we're building when it's snowing. Might actually be happening. It's supposed to rain. What has happened is we got the string line for the house marked up, and I wanted to make sure this was parallel to it, so I just overextended a string line and then reset my inside corner points, and now it's officially time for concrete. Concrete's supposed to be here in, I don't know, my watch is on do not disturb mode because I'm technically usually still asleep. This is not final stake downs, like we just have the inside corner stakes, a lot of stuff on the top of the boards, a lot of nails. And this is pretty exciting. All the concrete tools are standing by over there. What else do we got? Septic system, getting ready to drop in over there where the dirt is. This is great, this is good stuff. Pretty excited about it. One thing also I didn't mention was the forms that are in there right now. They're actually not even to any specific grade, literally just on top of the soil. They're actually going to be set with a laser grade stick, get those all set so everything's nice and level. And after that, I'm going to be building this building for its final time, which is really exciting. forward. The task has been done. Super grateful that we had as many people as we did. My dad, Jake, my wife, all got together. We crushed it. Just barely finished. It's about as finished as I care to get it. We don't have an entry tool, and we don't have a small whatever it is. I forgot the name of the tool. Likely put it in the video. Hand trowel, but yeah, we didn't have an edger. We didn't have a hand trowel or a handheld float. So this is as good as I care to get it. The actual structure itself is smaller than this by 3 inches on each side, or 5 inches on each side, something like that. And then it overhangs this way by quite a substantial amount. So now I can throw some lawn chairs up here while we're building the house over there. So anyways, lessons learned: 5 yards of concrete will kick your trash, especially if there's a small crew doing it. I actually really enjoyed it, especially towards the end. It was a lot like playing a video game, despite the physical labor aspect of it. It was very like soothing to just like. Next up is septic, as well as I don't know in which order, but we're also going to be doing the electrical stuff, which is actually going in here. We're going to get a concrete drill and drill out and dig a trench that goes to our utility room in the house. So probably not going to do all that, but maybe at least dig it out and start the trenching process, so that way we got some direction that way. When they do an inspection, they can see what the plan is, even though they have drawings of it. This is where some of the solar panels will be held. I think it's like 6 solar panels will be on this building, and then there's going to be an array over here on the ground and some wind turbines right here, if Melissa lets me. She's gonna watch this video. I'm gonna let you take that out right now. You might be wondering, this little segment here, most of you are wondering, let's be real. The reason why that's not filled in is because when we did the math on it, 4 inches by 16 by 25, and this square is exactly that. Everything was plus, nothing was minus on the inside of here. There's maybe 1 or 2 little tiny small spots, one over there and one there, but for the most part everything was in level. Just know when you order concrete, they're going to be short. So we actually planned ahead, and I quickly made this piece together so if it was short, we could easily divide it off, stick concrete over. That way when we want to, we can pour. I'll be honest, I'll probably just leave it hacked off right there. Yep, definitely. It's gonna just stay hacked off right there. Don't care. That's where it goes. So, but this was 5 yards that was ordered, and the math works out to be like 4.94 yards, assuming 4 inches thick. And it's not 4 inches thick, it is actually 3 3/4. We do not have enough concrete, which kind of stinks, but what do you do? All right, it's time to clean up. Be back in a week. We're gonna build that building. It's gonna be awesome.